Getting ready for Nin Nin's first ride. How you feeling, Jackson?
Well, looking pretty professional here.
Kidney belts on, shin pads are on. Archie, don't pull the camera. Get out of it, Archie, man. Get out of it. Let go, Archie. Oh, come on, mate. Archie, leave it. Leave it. Archie.
Okay.
Archie.
Don't be upset if when you first go to ride this, it doesn't actually go anywhere. Okay? Because I just went the throttle screw all the way in. Okay? I just said I need to play with it. Adjustment you need to play with.
Play with? That's funny. That's funny. Dad. Dad. That's so cool.
I think Jackson's a bit excited, judging from that giggle. Alright, here goes Jackson's first ride on his motorbike.
Okay. I only want you to be using this brake at the moment, okay? So, if it goes, I'm just going to get you to go from here, to over here, and stop in front of me. If you don't stop, I'm going to stop you, okay? Now, remember, it may not go because I've wound that screw all the way in. Okay, you ready? Wave to Mummy and Archie, man.
Wave to the camera first. August 2016. We might be better up there where it's a bit flatter.
What do you have to say about that? Good?
Jackson, how do you feel?
Good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
How many times did you giggle?
I didn't.
You did too. I've got the video evidence to prove it.
I want to do it.
How much did you stop
You wanna do it
smiling?
again?
Did you stop smiling while you were riding?
I want to keep going.
You want to keep going?
It's so fun.
So fun, is it?
Go! Thumbs up! Go! Giggling. Oh, that wasn't a good one. What are you doing there, little buddy? Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. Archie. Archie. Hey. You're trying to get the camera. Oh.